Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use the hover property in CSS. So let's get started. So to start, you need to see what I have done in my HTML. All I have done is I have given a division and I have given it the ID test. Next, in my CSS, I have used that same ID test here and given it width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels and a background color as red. So if you see, right now it looks like this, but there is a way to actually change the width, the height, the background color and a lot more using the hover property in CSS. So I just need to assign it with the same test ID, then I need to add a colon and then type in hover. Then we just need to open the flower brackets. So in here we can type in a different width, like maybe we can make it bigger by making this as 700 pixels and then making the height as also 700 pixels. So then we can change the background color to maybe blue. We can change this from red to blue. So now if I go here and the second I start to hover over this, it actually changes my whole width, height and background color. So and I hover out of this, then again it turns back to the red cube. So this is how it is done. But you can see that this is not really smooth here, but there is a way to make it smooth in CSS, which I am going to show in another video. Thank you. That's it for today.